How's it guys and girls? Today me and Ferdy are on a new permission, one of Ferdy's permissions. It is a very big farm, and we're going to do something different today than what we've done in the past, as what we did on the dairy farm. This is going to be a more walk and stalk type of video. Hopefully we can get some quality shots today. Ferdy is also on the 21 grain H&N Slug HPs, which performed very well out of his gun. I'm shooting the 23 grain H&N Slug HPs as well. So let's see what this day will bring us. So sit back and enjoy. Eaglevisioncam has found a home in South Africa. Now you can also get the products I have found to trust and use over the past few years. From the legendary scope cam setups, infinity scope mounts, high capacities magazines, and so much more. If you are from South Africa and looking to use the best, visit the agsastore.com, and for my international friends, affiliate links are available in every video description, so you can also get your hands on everything I use. We saw a couple of animals during the course of the day, but every opportunity turned into a disaster. Birds fly off before we can take a shot, or we just completely miscalculate one of our shots.
Okay, I've got a dove there on that electric wire on 85 yards. I'm going to give it 3 mils of holdover. Let's see.
We decided to head to a spot where there's a ground squirrel problem. Not only are the holes they dig a problem, but also the urine and feces inside the food of the cows. This can make the cows really sick and cause massive headaches for the farmer. Unpredictable winds really made it difficult to shoot, but at last we had some success. 86. Got it as well. That's 2 on 50 meters. It's very late afternoon, 3:30. Me and Ferdy have been struggling this whole day, trying to shoot something, and this is actually the first 2 that we can actually say we got. So maybe we are going to move to a different spot a little bit later to see if we can't get some guinea fowl or so. But these ones are actually the first kills for the day. almost. Oh, just over it. He's back, he's back, he's back.
Oh, empty.
Oh, just missed him. You can go for the ground squirrel.
Yes.
Oh, almost, almost. Oh, exactly the same range as the Franklin. Oh, damn.
Good one. Sure. That was quite a bit of action. Sure, there was first off, there was a ground squirrel on I think it was about 86 yards.
Around the
So as I lined up for the ground squirrel, I saw some Franklin coming out of the bush, and yeah, so I went for one. I got one, and the others stuck around a little bit, but yeah, unfortunately, I think I was too excited. But yeah, it was quite a bit of fun now. These H&N slugs really performs much better than that pellet. Yeah, awesome.
Okay, so I got two females. This one, or both of them look like headshots. So it seems to me perfect shots. Like I mentioned before, these ones were actually the first kills, the actual kills we got today. We've been struggling quite a bit, wind, distances, and it was just a difficult day of hunting. And while Ferdy is sitting there and recording me, if it's possible, Ferdy, can you just record the holes of these bad boys? Just want to show you, this is the holes of the ground squirrels. So you can just imagine what happens here when cattle and stuff walks here, because this farmer is actually a cattle farmer. So yeah, that's the reason why we shoot them today.
Okay, this is the bird that I shot on 86. Well, Marne actually range for me, it was 86 meters. That's over 90 yards. I don't know where I got it. But yeah, I shot it with that H&N 21 grain slugs, the 218. They actually perform very well out of my gun. Don't have to hold that much for the wind anymore. But yeah, it was a great shot.
Okay, so me and Ferdy moved into a little hide or tree stand thingy that they made in the past here on this property. So hopefully we are going to shoot something out of this hide here. It is quite late now, so we are expecting some guinea fowl and something else to come into the area, and hopefully we can shoot that as well. So let's see what's going to happen. With no success in the hide, we decided to head to the quarry for the last time to see if we can get something there before we call it a day.
Door.
Hit them. I think I got it. I have to go check. I saw it jump when it struck it. I had to take the shot through the twigs and stuff. So hopefully with the slugs, the twigs and so on, didn't really affect it. Don't know if you're going to see anything here because the light is really fading out now, and we don't have any sunlight left. So we'll have to go have a look. Ja man.
Die gras is voor hom het beweeg, net wat voor sy bors. Dink maak net bietjie meer links.
Hey Tom.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Yes. What a shot. That was a struggle. Ferry had to do the spotting for me. That was at around, that was 7 mils that I gave it. A 7 mils, 152 meters. Unfortunately, I couldn't record it on my scope cam footage. It's just way too dark. I could hardly see the reticles through my scope cam setup because of, you can see it is almost dark. But what a shot! That's the furthest shot I ever took with the Daystate Red Wolf Safari H&N Slug HP 23 grains, and I was shooting them at around 960 feet per second. Well, we are here at this quarry area here. The shots just echo here, but it was still quite enough to take down that pheasant there. So the hard part now is to go fetch it, and hopefully we'll still have enough battery left there to record it. Otherwise we'll move over to the cell phones. So let's go see if we can get them or eat. Okay, I'm here where we shot it. We were sitting around there on that corner, and here is the feathers. We just cannot find it, and as you can see, there's the guns and the camera. Fairly is looking here. Sun is setting. You can see the oh, sorry for the focus there. Come now. There we go. The sun is setting. The lights are already on. I hope we're gonna get this one. Unfortunately, we couldn't get it. It's just way too dark now, and with the rocky surface here behind us, it's just way too dangerous to walk around here in the dark. We're just going to hurt ourselves. But today was a very difficult hunt. Luckily we did get a couple of animals today, and Ferry also got a couple of nice shots as well with the new slugs he used. So hopefully next time we will be more successful than today. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.